Hey guys, this is Megha and you're welcome to my channel Crazy for Health. Malai Koftas are one of the most popular dishes ordered in an Indian restaurant. So we will be making Malai Koftas today but in a way more healthier form. So let's quickly check out the recipe. We'll start the recipe by making the koftas. For that, in a bowl, take 1 cup of crumbled paneer, 1 cup of boiled and mashed potato, a few green chilies finely chopped, a teaspoon of ginger finely grated, salt to taste, black pepper powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and corn flour for binding. Now mix all of this together. Use your hands to make a nice dough. Once done, make kofta balls out of it. Now we'll be roasting the koftas in an open appam pan. For that, brush some oil onto an appam pan and place the koftas on top of it. Now flip and keep cooking till it turns brown in color. And now the koftas are ready. Take them out on a plate. And now let's prepare the gravy. For that, in a pan, take 1 cup of water and bring to a boil. Now add 2 medium onions and 4 tomatoes. Now I'm adding 8 to 10 garlic cloves and an inch of ginger. Cover this and cook it till it becomes soft. This is the easiest way to prepare any sort of gravy. Once the mixture is boiled, turn off the flame and let it cool down. Now in a blender, add in the prepared mixture. Now we will be adding some cashews, small elaichi, 3 to 4 cloves and a small inch of cinnamon. Now in a pan, take some oil and butter. Add in 1 bay leaf. And this is the prepared mixture that I have blended and strained. Now add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder and mix well. The gravy becomes really smooth and creamy by adding the cashews. Now I'm adding some Kasuri Methi and Garam Masala. Let this cook for around 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'll be adding 1 cup of milk to make the gravy even more creamier. After 5 to 6 minutes, the gravy will be ready. Take a serving dish and place the koftas. Now add in the prepared gravy on top of it. Finish it off with some fresh cream and some sweet basil or coriander leaves. And now your delicious, healthy Malai Kofta is ready. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.